Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am again with a simple nail art design without any tools that you can do at your home. Here I am applying my base coat, and don't let the base coat dry because for this design we need a wet base coat. And on wet base coat, apply dots in semicircular motions. Now drag all the dots at one point with the help of a needle, making a flower shape. And with the help of a brush, apply polish on the tip of your nail. When applying polish on the tip of your nail, remove excess product from the brush so that you will not put a lot of color on your nail. And apply it very carefully. And let it dry completely. When it is completely dry, apply your top coat. And here is the final look. Now hit the like button if you like my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my latest videos first. Thanks all. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.